Hi everyone. Hi, so I'm just heading off to work, but I just wanted to give you just a little video. Oh, nobody will take so long to join me. Yeah, anyway, I just want to give you a little video on my progress so far. This is day 2 of my master cleanse, the lemonade diet, and I'm hungry. I'm hungry, but it's not as bad as yesterday. But maybe because it's just in the morning. But normally in the morning I don't really eat anything. Sorry for the sunlight. I try to adjust my camera properly, but yeah, sometimes it, you know. But sorry for the sunlight if it's a bad, I can't see my cover. Anyway, don't mind my head or whatever. It's so cold outside, so I just put on this and bam bam bam. Anywho, so the lemonade diet, it's good, it's really awesome, but I am so happy because I want to do either I want to, oh, this, I can't even see myself here. Oh, that's so bright, the sunlight is, wow. Whoa, we can't even see myself. Oh. Anyway, alright, so I'm so happy I went on the scale yesterday, because yesterday I started and I scaled myself and I'm down 24. I'm down 3 pounds this morning and I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy. And I'm having what, 6, you say you can have 6 to 12 glasses per day, 10 ounces. So I had about 8 glasses yesterday, plus water and plus my tea in between, because you can have peppermint tea, no other tea in between, right? Yeah, but I'm gonna show you a more detailed video of, you know, some of the stuff. I'm gonna include a picture also of the things that I bought for it. Yeah, I bought you know, so maple syrup, you need lemon, and it has to be fresh lemon, right? And I leave my lemon to ripe because I like it when it, you know, ripe up, and I roll it and then cut it. You get a lot more juice out of it, right? And you have the cayenne pepper. You don't need a lot of cayenne pepper, but you know, I'm Jamaican and I love my spice, so I don't mind the spice, right? And the maple syrup has to be B or A. Them recommend B because them say it's a darker one. It's better for you. But I shop around. I could not find a B, so just bought a A. You know, it's natural still and everything like that. Yeah, and I did my salt water flush this morning. Not looking forward to do it tomorrow morning, but it's okay. But before that though, I didn't have to do the salt water flush to go to the washroom, you know, because I had the laxative. Oh yeah, one more thing on the list is the laxative tea. I did the laxative tea last night and it was really good. It turned out good, right? Because this morning as I got up, I normally go to the washroom, and that's the time that I weigh myself too. Normally go to the washroom and I feel my stomach hurt, so I had to get up like a little bit before time and go to the washroom. So they said you can either choose, if you don't want to do the salt water flush, you can just do the laxative tea in the night. But yeah, I still did the laxative tea the flush this morning anyways. But it was okay. I had to drink it fast though, very fast, right? And you know, after that, you know, because drinking so much salt water, and if I continue, I have to breathe so I don't vomit or anything like that. Sorry if I'm not really looking in your direction. So I'm kind of driving to us as well. But yeah, it's good so far. I love it, but I'm a chef and it's hard. But I do have people at work to kind of, you know, keep me in check and say, no, Shana, don't eat that as much as I want to so badly. Yeah, and I have people that taste, like, you know, me use them as my tasting guinea pig to say, right, and them taste the food for me and stuff like that, so I don't really have to be tasting so much, and I, you know, want to have that food to eat and stuff like that, right? But long story short, I heard about the diet from a friend and I researched. Oh my gosh, me I figure edit out that. But anyway, I never really want to know anything, but I figure edit out that. But anyway, long story short, me hear from a friend and, you know, me research about it and me see the benefits of the cleanse and the detox, which I want, right? Because I've been looking for like a real detox. So I'm detoxing plus I'm losing weight at the same time. Oh, also last night when I got in, I just did like 30 minutes on the treadmill. I did 30 minutes on the treadmill, just like I run for 2 minutes, but not 2 minutes straight. Right, I did 30. I start off just walking like to the max 10 incline, right, and then I just continue, you know, I run for like 30 seconds and then I walk again, and then, you know, I run, yeah, just that format I did, right? So it wasn't anything that ackle up my body too much, because I know with this, them say with this one, it's going to take a lot of energy. Like you won't have a lot of energy anymore that much, but the maple syrup, that's the one that's supposed to give you, you know, vitamins and stuff like that, and energy as well, because, you know, it kind of sweet and has a sugar in it. So yeah, but hold on, let me to display more and to be, you know, some of them, oh, them drive stupid sometimes, see. But anyway, yes. Oh, sorry, what was tired this one? I don't feel as weak, and I do have my B12 patch, so I put it on. So into this time now, I probably need it more because I need more energy. So I put on the you know, my B12 patch. Is my video upside down? Oh, this one. Yeah. But anyway, it's going good so far. Day 2. I had one bottle to drink already. I'm looking for the bottle that I use, but anyway, I can't find it. But I'm almost at work. I'll keep you updated. If I don't do every single day, I'm sorry, but I'll try to do at least twice a week or 3 times. Just see with me. Also, look forward to seeing a few more other videos from me. Just random videos, because, you know, that's all I am. Just putting on random videos. Okay then, so continue watching, and if you have not subscribed, I'm kind of parking right now. If you have not subscribed, please do and like. Thank you. Shana the Yardie Girl, I'm out.